Greetings everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, the place where you can learn how to take control of your financial destiny. On this channel we talk about investing and apps concerning money, and we're going to be talking about the Varo bank app in this video. Specifically, how do you block the debit card so that transactions won't go through. So we're going to start by opening the app up. Then you'll need to log in using your email and your password. Once you've logged in, you want to click on the My Varo tab and click on Card Services. Once you're here, you have the option to lock your card and also unlock your card. So if you click on you'll ask, do you want to lock your debit card? This will stop transactions from going through. I'm going to say yes. Then boom, the card is locked. So if a transaction tries to go through, it will be blocked. If you want to turn this feature off, you just click it off and the feature is disabled and transactions will go through again just like before. That concludes this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you're interested in signing up for Varo, you can do so using the link in the description and also the pinned comment. You can also check out the playlist I've created where I cover more ways to use the Varo app. That does it for this video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.